Strange as it may seem, most law firms and business owners don't realize how valuable or important the lawyer is in the sale of their business. Neither do real estate agents, business brokers, and others who only sell 20 to 30% of the businesses they list for sale. The 70% to 80% failure rate is unacceptable. This sounds almost unbelievable, but it's true. See the information from the International Business Broker link provided below. Or you can go to Google and ask, what percentage of businesses listed for sale actually sell? You will find I am correct. Now, number one is the law firm handling the sale of your practice or business has valuable processes, procedures, and systems in place to make sure that your sale actually happens. For the sale of a law firm, legal fees are probably going to be in the range of $10,000 to $15,000, and they're worth it. The valuation of your law firm or business is most important and could be in the $3,500 to $5,500 range. Marketing your law firm or business for sale will often cost $85,000 to $12,000. Expect your total expense or business sale costs to be in the range of $27,000 or perhaps 3% to 8% of the value of your practice or business. We call this inside selling, and the costs include valuation, marketing, and legal fees. By following this process, sales can generally be expected to happen in the range of 6 months and at or near 100% of the valuation estimate. 70 to 80% failure rate by brokers and others is not acceptable, and that is why we have that different methodology called inside selling for law firms, professional practices, and other private businesses for sale. Total costs of sale are in the 3 to 8% range, generally within a 6-month time frame, and generally at or near 100% of our business valuation estimate. Let me give you a 2023 example of inside selling methodology. We did a valuation for a business December 31st, 2022. We used the Eric Jordan 25 Factors Affecting Business Valuation methodology. When we got to Factor 24, Special Interest Purchaser, the valuator, me, concluded that we needed to identify the profile of the best buyers for the business. The valuator, me again, with the client, determined the best buyer entities, and that turned out to be welders, trenchers, and plumbers. The valuator, me again, then made a plan for finding that list of best buyers and how much that would cost, the best way to contact them, what marketing team the sellers needed to hire, and all of this with a cost and time frame attached. Last and most important was connecting the seller to the law firm that specialized in the sale of businesses and tax advising for the sellers. The cost for valuation, marketing, and legal fees was estimated at 3% of sale. The time frame was estimated at 6 months. In the end, the time frame was 4.5 months, and the cost was in the 3% range, including valuation, marketing, and legal fees in closing the sale. In this case, the business sold at 100% of the business valuation price. If you want truth and you want results, call me now, 1-800-606-0310 24/7. You will receive almost immediate attention. If you are a serious owner wanting to sell, we can arrange for you to speak with this 2023 seller to confirm we are truthful. You can go to our website, pin.ca, for more details. Find out how to flag deceptive or fraudulent valuations. See how to avoid the 4 major flaws found in business valuations made by people who do not have adequate business experience to be doing business valuations. I have found that the value put forward by accounting-based valuation reports are often in the range of 40% up or down from what I believe is fair market value, which is a scary situation. In one situation, the accounting-based valuation was $75,000, while my fair market value was $25,000. Now, this was a small deal, but thankfully, I was able to prevent a young professional from being scammed. Fast forward to September 2023, and what does CRA think of me and my valuation reports? Well, I can tell you that I just completed a fairly large job for someone who has a day job as a senior analyst at CRA. About professional organizations, I will defer to Jordan Peterson on that. If you want truth and you want results, call me now, 1-800-606-0310.